The Penetration Testing Toolkit is the main module of SecOPERA for network assessment. The overall solution is provided as a service and is accessible by the user via the SecOPERA Dashboard. The Penetester selects the network component that will be analyzed for a new project. Then, network mapping is performed for a given IP address and a range of ports. The main assessment can now begin. A series of tests are performed to examine if the component is vulnerable or lacks protection mechanisms against rigorous port scanning, denial of service attacks, login cracking, or security downgrade due to support of weak or deprecated ciphers. In the demonstrated example, the first two tests were successful, while the last two ones failed. Therefore, two vulnerabilities are reported for port scanning and DOS attacks respectively, following the format of Common Vulnerabilities Enumeration of MITRE and the risk evaluation of the Common Vulnerabilities Scoring System of FIRST. The related weaknesses and threats are also reported, based on MITRE's Common Weakness Enumeration and Common Attack Pattern Enumeration and Classification repositories, respectively. The user can collect further cyber threat intelligence concerning known CVEs, CWEs, and CAPECs by providing a valid Common Platform Enumeration identification for the MAP services. Additionally, based on the identified CVEs, actual exploits can be found in relevant repositories, like the Metasploit framework, that the Penetester can further try to launch. Finally, the overall assessment information is summarized in the top of the screen, and the user can examine the overall risk of this component based on the maximum vulnerability impacts, correlate this with the project's KPIs in the SecOPERA platform, and decide the next steps.